Hey everyone, I know it's 11 o'clock. I'm sitting in the back and I had to do my pesto today and picked my basil and I have garlic scapes that I'm doing, but I wanted to show you how today, after that incredible storm, there is full of water on my table. And I love, 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 love when it rains because I get out my multi-tool. So this is the tool. It has a flat fiber. It's similar to the window combi, except it's a flat plate that's attached on the back side here. I've got my squeegee attachment, like my little wiper attachment here, because I will be able to wash this whole table and remove all the water. There's actually leaves and all kinds of stuff that was left on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how on my attachment I also put the twister, which is an angle like that. See the angle there? So I put that on there. You don't need to, but I do because I'm very short and it gives me extra length. Oh, sorry about that. I'm trying to do it one-handed. There we go. Gives me extra length because I add the twister, which looks like that, and it will move to other positions. So if you need to use it in this kind of position, you can do that. But if you want to use it in a flat position, you can. But why I add it is because I also add the extra handle here, which is the handle from my kitchen flexi, which is also the same as the outdoor flexi that's all available right now on special. So this is how quick and easy it is. I'm going to show you. So you're going to use your multi-tool fiber that is the one which is called the strong one. It's dark blue. It's the same as the window combi. And as you can see back here, I have my screens out, and I was actually doing my screen and my windows using my floor system and the dark blue fiber there, which is exactly the same. Again, it's a strong fiber like this. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. So I add the twister and the handle because I can go from one end to the other. So I'm just going to go back and forth like this and pick up all that water. See that water that's on here? See the leaves? So this is how I clean my patio table. I don't know if any of you use any product to clean. You don't need it. All you need is this fiber technology. So look at that. So if ever it's a rainy day and you need to clean off your table because you've got company and the storm hit you like it did for us tonight, all you need to do is pull that water off. See all of this water? Pull this water off and get that off of your table. And then of course you need to have your window combi, your ENJO fill to dry behind. So see, I'm just going to pull all these little feathers off. But now that I've washed my table, because the fiber not only pulls all the water off, it will also clean my table. So it's really quick and easy. And then if you had company having a fire, then you're able to go ahead. So now I'm going to turn it and use the squeegee attachment. So see this? So I'm going to go along the edges and pull off that water. So I'm not sure if you can see that line there? See that water that's pulled off? So that's it. You're just going to pull away the water, and then tomorrow morning when you wake up, you're going to have the cleanest patio table using the water that nature has provided us. See that? So there we go. Multi-tool. Just remember, it doesn't matter if it's daytime, nighttime, you can clean your patio furniture using ENJO and water. So I'm going to then go and pull off this water. I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm going to see if I can show you. See that? See all that water? I'm going to put it there so you can see. Look at how dirty that water is. This is what you pull off using the fiber technology and water. And why I like the multi-tool is because this fiber the plate actually moves and shifts as I'm doing it so that I don't have to move positions. But see that? Look at all that water. So I'm going to pull this off and then it'll be gone in no time. And tomorrow morning, I will have the cleanest patio table. Water only from nature. Oh, a little bit of water here. And pull that off. And then because my fiber is wet, I'm actually going to go ahead and do some of my patio doors on the outside because they are wet, and that's it. So there's the multi-tool. Hi Joanne, how are you? You did the same thing with your trailer last week. Isn't it a best? Look at that. This is it. So I don't know if you have the multi-tool or not, but the multi-tool base, see how it shifts and moves as you use it? I love the multi-tool. It's one of my favorites actually. I don't use my window combi as much now because I love using this tool because of the flat plate on it, and it's just super handy. But if you're shorter like I am, having this extension, and then I'm going to show you too, if I wanted to clean my patio door here, there we go, I'm going to show you, I can actually go ahead and wash my patio door using the water that was on the table, and it is this quick and easy. Look at that. Clean off those windows, use the water from the rain, make it quick and easy, and it is not work. Look at this. So easy. I love ENJO. Yes, it's 11 o'clock. I'm cleaning my patio doors and my furniture. But look at the water that comes off. See all that dirt? That's the water from my window. And I actually do my patio window pretty often, but it's perfectly clean. So there we go. Have a great night, everyone. Nice to see you on here, Joanne, again. And your screens, it's really easy to do because if you use your strong floor fiber, which is this one here, you can attach it onto your floor system and you can still use it on your patio. So let me just pull this off here. So I'm going to show you, if I put this on my window, this is the floor system, you are able to do your whole window using your floor system by putting the fiber on here. So basically, you're going to take your fiber, put your floor system in, like that, open, stick it in, close, lift, and then you can do your patio. See that? You can do your whole door using your floor system. You won't be able to squeegee it, of course, because there's no squeegee on this floor system, but it'll be a really quick clean. Check that out. So if you have a lot of windows, you have a trailer, and you want to wash your windows or your screens using the floor system strong fiber, you can do the same thing, or you can use the multi-tool, which is this one here, and you can add the squeegee also. And today I did not need to use my water because I used the water. So Joanne, you use the multi-tool but realized the combi might work best because of the bumps in the aluminum. It's the older style outside, work nice. I have to do it the second time. Yes, I know. Yeah, sometimes it is about that too, because I know that my patio table here, it does have bevels on it. And yeah, having the squeegee attachment on it works really well. So that's why I add mine to it. But I would definitely take my ENJO fill and come behind and dry behind. But look at this table. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I can't imagine not having ENJO, because I know back in the day I used to use dishcloths and all kinds of stuff to try to clean this off, and no matter what, there was always streaks and marks and stuff like that. But it is so easy, so quick. I love it. Thank you, Joanne, for commenting. I think you and I might be some of the only people awake here at night. But yeah, I just came inside. Like I said, I was making pesto, and I thought I might as well come and do a video to show that. So have a great day, everyone. Happy ENJOing, and get outside when it's raining. Do your windows, do your patio furniture. It's amazing.